हेलो गाइस, आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे मिन्ना नो निहोंगो लेसन 24 की वोकैबलरी। तो आइए स्टार्ट करते हैं। कुरेमास कुरेमास means to give. In our previous lessons we have come around a word which known as agemas, which also means to give, but we cannot use agemas when someone else gives something to speaker or speaker's family. Okay, in that case we use kuremas. For example, sato san wa watashi ni Christmas kado kuremashita means Mr. Sato gave me a Christmas card. Okay. Surete ikimasu. Surete ikimasu means to take someone. Surete kimasu. Surete kimasu means to bring someone. Okurimasu. Okurimasu means to escort someone or to go with someone. Shokai shimasu. Shokai shimasu means to introduce yourself. Annai shimasu. Annai shimasu means to show around or show the way. Setsumei shimasu. Setsumei shimasu means to explain. Iremasu. Iremasu means to make coffee. For example, kohi o iremasu, to make coffee. Oji-san. Oji-san. Oji-chan. Oji-chan means grandfather or old man. Oba-san. Oba-san. Oba-chan. Oba-chan means grandmother or old woman. Jumbi. Jumbi means preparation or prepare. Imi. Imi means meaning. Okashi. Okashi means sweets or snacks. Zenbu. Zenbu means all. Jibunde. Jibunde means by oneself. Hokani. Hokani means besides. Wagon sha. Wagon sha means station wagon. Obento. Obento means lunchbox. Haha no hi. Haha no hi means Mother's Day. So this is it for the today's lesson, guys. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe the channel if you like the content, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you once again.